Now we discuss a problem on marginal density functions. F of xy is given. This is half where xy belongs to in point xy is any point of R2. 0 otherwise. Find marginal density functions f of x and f of y of y with this figure. This figure is the square board. Okay. So find the marginal density functions given that f of xy is half and 0 half where xy belongs to R2 and 0 otherwise. With this figure, this is the square board. Okay. The coordinate of this point is 1 0. Let us take this coordinate A. This is origin, this is B, this is C, this is D. So ABCD be the square board where coordinate of A is 1 0, coordinate of B is 0 1, coordinate of CB minus 1 0, coordinate of DB 0 minus 1. So given that, we solve this problem, and also the equation of AB is whose coordinate of AB 1 0 and coordinate of BB 0 1. So equation of AB is x plus y equal to 1. This is the equation of this line AB. Equation of AB is x plus y equal to 1. And the equation of AD is x minus y equal to 1. So equation of AB is x plus y equal to 1. Equation of AD is x minus y equal to 1. And equation of DC is x minus, equation of AD is minus x minus y equal to 1, means x plus y equal to minus 1. This is the equation of CD. So equation of CD is x plus y minus equal to minus 1. So equation of BC is minus x plus y equal to 1. So this is the equation of BC. Okay. So hence equation of AB is x plus y equal to 1. Equation of AD is x minus y equal to 1. Equation of CD is x plus y equal to minus 1. Okay. So equation of BC is minus x plus y equal to 1. This is equation of AB, BC, CD and DA. Okay. So first find marginal density functions. So formula of let fx and fy be the marginal density functions of x and y respectively. Okay, let f of x and f of y be marginal density functions of x and y respectively. So marginal density functions of x is f of x equal to integration of f of xy dy. Okay, this is the formula of marginal density functions of x. We divide this figure into two parts for finding marginal density functions of x. Here coordinate of x is minus 1. Here coordinate of x is 0. And here coordinate of x is 1. So for finding marginal density functions of x, we divide this figure two parts. Okay. This is the first part and this is the second part. Okay, so for finding marginal density functions of x, we divide this figure into two parts. This is the first part, this is the second part. Okay, in this first part, here x is minus 1, here x is 0. So for this first part here x is -1 and here x is 0. So here x belongs to -1 x to 0 for first part. For first part we divide, for finding marginal density functions of x, we divide this figure into two parts. First part is here, this is the first part. Here x is -1, here x is 0. So here x belongs to -1 to 0, and this is the second part. Here x belongs to 0 to 1. So first we calculate first part. So first part means -1 x less than 0, -1 less than x less than 0. This is the first part. In this first part we integrate with respect to y. So we integrate with respect to y means lower to upper. So here y is lower means this line. So here y is -1 minus x, and in this line here y is 1 plus x. So we integrate with respect to x. So limit is, lower limit is -1 minus x, and upper limit is 1 plus x. Clear? So for finding marginal density functions of x, we divide this figure into two parts. This is the first part where x belongs to -1 to 0, and this is the second part where x belongs to 0 to 1. First we calculate first part, means this part. In this part y takes value, upper limit of y is -1, lower limit of y is -1 minus x, and upper limit of y is 1 plus x. So this is the limit of this integration. Clear? Okay, so this is -1 minus x, 1 plus x to f of xy means takes value half dy, where -1 less than x less than 0. Clear? So after calculations we get this is 1 plus x, where -1 x 0 for first part. This is the first part. Second part. Now we calculate second part. Second part marginal density function is f of xy dy. In this second part here x belongs to 0 to 1. So in this second part here x belongs to 0 to 1. Here we take x less than 0. So in the second part we take x greater than equal to 0, greater than equal to x greater than 1 less than 1. Sorry. In this second part, for finding marginal density functions of x, we consider this second part. Here 0 less than x less than 1. So we take, for first part we take this is less than. So in second part we take 0 less than equal to. Okay, here we take less than. So 0 is the point in this figure. So 0 less than equal to x less than 1. Okay. In this second part, y, see lower limit of y is, we integrate this to this. So lower limit of y is x minus 1. Okay, and this, in this upper limit is y equal to 1 minus x. Clear? So integrate lower to upper. So lower limit is, we integrate this lower to upper. So integrate this to this. So here y is the variable. So integrate y means x minus 1 to x minus 1 to 1 minus x, 1 minus x. So integrate x minus 1 to 1 minus x, half of dy, where 0 less than x less than 1. After calculations we get this is 1 minus x, where 0 less than x less than 1. So combining first part and second part, we get actual marginal density functions of x. So combining first and second, hence actual marginal density function of x is where we take where 0 minus 1 less than x less than 0, where যখন e minus 1 less than x less than 0, then f of x takes value 1 plus x when minus 1 less than x less than 0, and when 0 less than x less than 0 less than x 0 less than equal to x less than 1. So f of x takes value 1 minus x and 0 otherwise. This is the required marginal density functions of x. This is the required marginal density functions of x. Okay, now we find marginal density functions of y. So marginal density functions of y, now we find marginal density function of y. So formula of marginal density functions of y means f of y equal to integration of f of xy dx. Here we integrate with respect to x. So similarly we divide this figure into two parts. This is this first part for finding marginal density functions of y. Here x we integrate with respect to x, so we divide this figure into two parts. This is this first part, this is this first part, this is the first part. Okay, here y takes value 1 in b point, here y takes value 0 in 0 points, and here y takes value minus 1 in d point. So we divide this integral in two parts. This is first part and this is the second part. This is the second part. Okay, for first part this is the second part. We always integrate lower to upper. So this is the first part and this is the second part. So we always integrate lower to upper. So for first part, here y takes value 0 and here y takes value 1. So 0. So interval of y is 0 less than y less than 1 for first part. So for first part, this is the first part. Let us consider this is the first part. Okay, so for first part, in this point y takes value 0, in this point y takes value 1. So interval of y is 0 less than y less than 1. Sorry, 0 less than equal to y, 0 less than 1, 0 less than equal to y less than 1. And in this first part, we integrate with respect to x. So we integrate left to right. Here x takes value implies here x takes value y minus 1. Here x takes value y minus 1, and here x takes value 1 minus y. So integrate. So this is the lower limit and this is the upper limit. So integrate always left to right. So this is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. So integrate y minus 1 to 1 minus y. So integrate y minus 1 to 1 minus y. F of xy means half of dx, where 0 less than y less than 1. So after calculations we get, after calculation means half of integration of dx means x. So 1 minus y by y minus 1 means half of 1 minus y minus of y minus 1 means half of 2 minus 2y, so 1 minus y. So hence this is the, for first part we get f of y equal to 1 minus y where 0 less than equal to y less than 1. And for second part, means these portions from second part, here y takes value minus 1, here y takes value 0. So for second part, f of y means f of y equal to integration of f of xy dx. Here y belongs to minus 1 to 0, here y belongs to minus 1 to 0. So here y belongs to minus 1 less than y less than 0. Okay, in this interval we integrate with respect to x. Here we integrate left to right, so here x is minus 1 minus y, this here x is x minus 1 minus y, and this here, and here x is 1 plus y. So integrate left to right, so here we integrate with respect to x for finding marginal density functions of y. So lower limit is minus 1 minus y and upper limit is 1 plus y. So integrate minus 1 minus y minus 1 minus y to 1 plus y to 1 plus y. Okay, minus 1 minus where minus 1 less than y less than 0. So integration minus 1 to minus y 1 plus y half of dx. After calculations we get this is 1 plus y, this is 1 plus y, where minus 1 less than y less than 0. So combining first part and second part we get, we get required marginal density functions of y. For first part it takes 1 minus 1 when 0 less than y less than 1, 0 less than equal to y less than 1. And for second part this is 1 plus y when minus 1 less than y less than 0, minus 1 less than y less than 0, 0 otherwise. Okay, hence this is the required marginal density functions of y, and this is the required marginal density functions of x. Okay, clear?